So guys, since nakabaw na taon sa ang pagpangita sa average velocity value, ang atoan naman next practice or ako next na example is ato ang pangitaon is time. But still using the average velocity formula. So paano nga ito gagawin? So we have an example of word problem in here. A car travels a displacement of 150 meters at an average velocity of 15 meter per second. How many seconds does it take for the car to complete the trip? So as you can see, to analyze the problem, naanatay 150 meters. And we also have the average velocity of 15 meters. Now, ang atong ginapangita is how many seconds. Ibig sabihin, ang time. Since, di ba, ang unit sa atong time kay seconds. So, first step is we're going to find the given. So, average velocity, again, is 15 meter per seconds. And displacement, which is ang atong 150 meters. And our time, which is the missing value. So we are still going to use same lang nga formula. So after knowing the formula, which is velocity equals displacement over time. So let's start with solving it. So for our solution, first, always write the formula first. And after that, we're going to substitute the given that we have. So, kanina nakita na to de, ang atong velocity kay mahimong 15 meter per second. Displacement is 150 meter over time. So, ang time, dra lang nagyapon since wala pamantay value para sa time. So, wala. Unsaon man ni pag-solve, like confusing, dili wala tay may ma-divide or ma-times or ma-plus or may minus here. So ang atong gamiton if ingani siya kay we're going to use a cross multiplication. So unsa man siya ang cross multiplication? So as you can see in here, mo ni siya ang cross multiplication. Oops, nag-blur. So our equal sign, we're just going to change it into a times. And as you can see, a cross multiplication kay kaning numerator, we're going to times it to the other denominator. And in here, the numerator, we're going to times it to the other denominator. So 15 meter per second times t. And 150 meter times 1. So kani asa ko nakuha ni ang 1. So 'di ba if ang whole number na to which is this, if we're going to have a cross multiplication which mo relate siya sa mga fraction ning ana kay always sa whole number na to sa ilalim niyan kay number 1. Standard na siya if ing ana nga situation. So i-times sa to which is ang answer ingani 15 meter per second times time equals 150 meter. So, nakita na to ang time kay naana dire sa biyak. So, next, since time ang ato ang ginapangita, ang atong buhaton kay ganahan naman ta time ang naa sa side dito. So, we're going to cancel this 15 meter per second. So, how? To cancel this 15 meter per second, we're going to divide it by itself. So 15 meter per second times time, okay again, 15 meter per second times time divided by 15 meter per second. So, i-cancel na to ang pareha nga value. And since dili lang man pwede nga diri lang sa side mag-divide, dapat diri lang dirito para balance sila. So 150 meter divided by 15 meter per second. So also divide this, i-divide na to na sila, and kani is cancel out the same value. which is ang answer is T equals 10 seconds. Kaya diba kay 150 divided by 15 is equals to 10. And cancel this. And napatay na bilin na seconds. So 10 seconds. In here 2, gi-cancel na to ani. Cancel na. Kani kay may naiwan time. So muna siya. So equals. So muna ang ato ang final answer. So that's all.